Initially, it was a broken tooth, so it was giving some.
Yeah.
There was perfectness was missing, but
Mm.
now it doesn't looks like that. It's not her original teeth. The work has done been very nicely. It has been done. My name is Meena Lahoti, and I got her here because we know about you. My mother-in-law got her treatment done from here, and my other family members also got treated here. So they suggested go for a good option. You'll get there, good treatment, good facilities. So finally, I came here for her regular checkup, and then I came to know that she had what problem she had. So I opted for the treatment here.
So my name is Aditi Lahoti. I'm 18 years old and I will be starting college soon. So I had around 10 days right now and then I'll be traveling and then I do not have time after that. So basically my front tooth was chopped a little, like it was chipped a little bit and I had to get that fixed before going to college. So just wanted to make sure there was no other problem. And when I came here, we had 2, 3 different solutions, and we went for whatever was best according to my age. Good thing is that my treatment only took me 2 days. So one day to fix my teeth, and the other day to polish it up, which took a total of 3 days. So super fast within my time period, which was really helpful because I did not really have a lot of time, and I'm very happy with the results.
Thank you, Aditi. And where are you going for your higher education?
So I'm going to the National University of Singapore. I'll be there for the next 4 years.
Okay. Many congratulations to you for your future. Um, Coming to that, like you were having some inhibition about your smile, you got something done. What was it that triggered you that now is the time I should get it done? Was it Singapore?
No, not really. So when the accident happened, I was very young. So we had shown a dentist at that point of time as well, and I was asked to wait till I was 18. So I was sure that I had to get it done after 18. So I was just waiting for that age, like the perfect age to get it done, not that, oh, I'm going to Singapore, so I want it fixed.
Okay. What happened? Like there was some chip. What was the incident?
So basically, I was on the swing and somebody pushed me, so I fell down, and then a part of my tooth got chipped out. So that is what happened. But after that, I did not really have any problems. So it was not like any other problem related to it. It was just that it had gotten chipped off, so I needed to get that fixed.
And what is your reaction after seeing her outcome, seeing the smile?
Now our tooth is looking एकदम perfect. Initially, it was a broken tooth, so it was giving some.
Yeah.
There was perfectness was missing, but
Mm.
now it doesn't looks like that. It's not her original teeth. The work has done been very nicely. It has been done.
You're happy with the results?
Yeah, I'm really happy with the results, and it was very fast also. So less time consuming, painless, and good results. I'm really happy with that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.